a doll and get your mother a large 4 cheese from Tony's?
There's no money in here.
You pay for it then. I know you're making money.
Let's do this.
What do you say you and I move to California? Would you like that? Okay. It's a promise then.
Good news. I got another job. This guy's got at least $300K.
Is he blind?
That's kind of messed up to rob a blind guy, isn't it?
Just because he's blind don't mean he's a saint, bro.
It's gonna be a piece of cake.
Story goes, some girl ran over this guy's daughter. Daughter dies, and this rich-ass family pays him off. Guy is an Army vet loner.
Are we good?
He's out. He's a sleeping beauty.
Guys, the money's in the house. It's probably in there.
Why'd you bring a gun?
Who's there?
Okay, man, just chill, alright? Stay right there. Test me!
Dad, it's me. I messed up real bad.
Now you see what I see.
Hello? Is anyone there? I'm trying to reach.
Senators, we believe that these titans are just the tip of the iceberg. Which of these titans are here to protect us? And which of these titans are here to threaten us?
So you'd want to make Godzilla our pet?
No. We would be his.
You sure he's gonna be okay?
They're everywhere.
Battling for dominance. A rival alpha to Godzilla.
You gotta be kidding.
Gear up. Fall in.
I've got another one for you. This one's straight from the top. Yes, sir.
As you were. Some private in the 101st lost 3 brothers and he's got a ticket home.
It's not gonna be easy finding one soldier in the middle of this whole goddamn road.
Finding a needle and a stack of needles.
You want to explain the math of this to me? I mean, where's the sense of risking the lives of the 8 of us to save one guy?
When you end up killing one of your men, you rationalize making the choice between the mission and the men.
Except this time the mission is man.
I'm going down to see my father. I'm going no more to know.
Well, I hope Mama Ryan's real happy. You know, and that little Jimmy's life is more important than our guy.
This Ryan better be worth it.
Amen.
It's a survey job. Just chopper them in and out. Be a joyride.
You are going to tell me everything I don't know, or I'm going to blow your head off.
This planet doesn't belong to us. Ancient species owned this Earth long before mankind. I spent 30 years trying to prove the truth. Monsters exist.
You don't go into someone's house unless you're picking a fight.
What you're looking at is a monster from some bygone era. It's time to show that man is dead.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your guard speaking. I'd like to welcome you aboard the 2359 service to Eastborough.
Tickets, please. I see your ticket, please.
you.
It was such a great night. You should have been there.
This is the driver. Seems we hit something on the line. We should be on our way shortly.
We seem to have broken down just outside Eastborough.
What does the driver say?
Is the train broken down or not?
He's working on it.
The station can't be more than, what, 2 miles walk? We follow the tracks, we'll all stay together. I don't see there'll be a problem.
What is it?
Run!
Back on the train, everyone!
Go, go, go! It's coming! Just a train full of bear bait.
It wasn't a bear. Bears don't howl.